प्रधानमंत्री का जो विचार था कि ये एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, ये आगे कैसे ले जाने का है, उन्होंने एक कल्पना जो किया है, वो संकल्प हम आज वापस ले रहे हैं. और आई एम एक्चुअली प्राउड टू से दैट I am happy that our department, Navneet ji has just mentioned that we have already reached 2 lakhs. We will be touching 5 lakhs beyond what has been expected from the government of India. Honorable Prime Minister not only said that you have to Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, but Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam has a big impact on the overall community and the country. And we all are here today, not only celebrating the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's birthday, but taking a vow that we are going to work towards ensuring that we increase and the conservation, the degraded forest areas to be covered with the trees, soil health card kali hua hai. So in a particular direction.